Ah, look who it is. Morning, everybody.
Morning.
Just caught us having a cup of tea. We're on holiday, aren't we?
Yeah.
It's 9 o'clock now. We just got up. We had a right night's sleep, didn't we? Oh, well, what's this place we're staying at?
The shed.
The shed. Yeah, it's quite literally a shed. But what a shed it is. It's got everything you could want, isn't it?
Yeah.
All mod cons. Perfectly set out. It's been raining all night. We could hear the rain banging on the roof out there. We've got like a garden room out there with a roof. You could hear it chucking it down. So we thought today, it's going to be raining all day actually, so we thought today it's a good chance to go and do the Waterfalls walk, the local walk just up the road. Hopefully there'll be lots of water.
Yep.
What's this village called? Astraginlays. Astraginlays. That's how you pronounce it. Sorry, that's to any Welsh people out there listening, but that's how I pronounce it anyway. Starts with a Y, but it's Astraginlays. The Waterfalls walk is just up the road in on the edge of the Brecon National Park. So we're going to go and do that today, aren't we?
Yeah.
Have a cup of tea. Karen's going to get the fried breakfast on.
Hold it just there. You're doing it.
I always have to do it.
I'm on holiday.
Well, I'm on holiday.
You always do it.
Alright, I'll do it, I'll do it. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. I better get this breakfast on then, before I get horse whipped. See you in a bit.
Bye.
See you on the trail. Right, that was the first waterfall, quite impressive. We'll walk to the other one now, the next one, the one that you can walk behind, you know, the one that's called that one.